So in this video, I'll show you step by step how to fix payment method decline on Canva. So if you want to fix this problem, first of all, go to your Canva account, go to this side and click on your profile, go to settings. So from this option now, scroll to down again, go to billing. So under the billing, if you scroll to down, so click on the change button. So if you click change button, now you two options up. So the reason why Canva decline your payment method is because one of those two reasons. So the first reason is because whether your card has not enough credit. Maybe your card it has no money inside the card. There is not enough money inside the card. That's why Canva decline your card. But if there is enough money inside your card, just come to this option and add in your details and click on the button. From there, your card will be available to purchase the Canva account. So the second reason why Canva rejected your credit card is because your credit is not allowed for you or them method. Maybe this card is to use in free. So you can go ahead now and change the credit card to find the credit card that's allowed to use for the international payment method. And if you come to this option, just click on the change button. So from there, it will ask you to add in the card details. After you add in the card details, so from there, you can be able now to purchase the Canva Pro account with your card. Hope this video helps. Like, subscribe, or meet in the next one.